Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of Ambrane PP150 polymer power bank. So let's unbox it. The packing quality of this power bank is really nice. It is having 15,000 mAh capacity. Ambrane is one of the leading power bank manufacturers. On the back side you can see its features. As I told you, it has 15,000 mAh capacity, dual USB ports, dual polymer battery, 2.1 ampere USB charging output, and it has two inputs. That is, you can charge this power bank using a C-type cable or a micro USB cable, and it is also having LED charging indicators. It can be used to charge mobiles, tablets, speakers and other USB enabled devices. It is having fast charging, polymer battery, dual USB output, compact design and premium rubberized finish, which makes it a perfect power bank. It got 180 days warranty. When you unbox it, you can see a white box. The packing looks cool. It's having good quality paper. Wow, that's nice. This is amazing. LED lights are already on. I didn't turn on that. I don't know for how much days this had been turned on. Anyway, I don't know how to turn off these lights. It is having high quality body. I like it. It's really nice to hold this power bank. It is not so heavy as I expected. You will get a USB cable with this power bank. It's a micro USB cable, and the cable quality is also really nice. The material that they have used is really amazing because it is so nice to touch it. You can see two different inputs. There is one for micro USB input, and you can charge this power bank using micro USB input or using type C cables, and this is the output. One of the drawbacks of this product is that you can charge only two smartphones simultaneously because there are only two outputs, and you don't need to carry a new cable, because if your smartphone is charging with the help of USB type C, then you can use that same charger to charge this power bank. On the back side it is plain. You can see a sticker over here. Just don't remove that. Front side is a low quality plastic. I don't say that this side is not plastic. It doesn't feel like a plastic. This is cheap quality plastic. You can feel the cheapness of this product over here. I didn't like this. And button is also good. You can see the charge indicators over here. Anyway, it is really nice except this part. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you would love this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. This is one of our first few videos. Thank you. Have a good day.